Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on Samsung Galaxy A36. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and now click install. Now you can click open, and then click on this button to skip your introduction and click not now. Now click open permissions and click here to enable your AI assistant to appear on top, and now you can go back. Then click start, and as you can see right here is my Chat GPT widget, and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.